All right, we are going to prepare for our costume design today. And the purpose of today's lecture is to lay out the steps that will be needed to complete your unique and original costume design. So as you follow along to this lecture, I want you to ponder or think about how you're going to incorporate some of these ideas into your work. Let's go ahead and do a quick review. Remember, a costume designer is the person who designs a specific look, style for each individual character in the play, and you need to keep in mind the character's personality and the time period. So, for example, if I'm designing for Tracy Turnblad, I know that she is a young teenager who's bold and courageous. She's willing to kind of speak out against social norms. So her outfits might be something that are bold and chaotic or a little bit busy or wild. And then she also is like from a poor socioeconomic class, so her clothes might look fun, but they might not be as fancy or lavish as someone like Amber Von Tussle, who's the same age, but she's from a family of sophistication and wealth. Her clothes might be more muted, more classy. So think about these things when you start your design. Well, what do designers do? Remember that you're going to analyze the script, really thinking about that place and location. We're in 1960 Baltimore. Think about the social status of your character. What is their job or profession? And then I want you to incorporate your theme, mood, any symbols that you have, the images that you've been thinking about, incorporating them in some way to your design. So what are we feeling when we see this character's outfit? What is the message that they're trying to send? And again, just review, the designers will read the play, analyze, create their vision board, which you should have done last class, and then you're going to start sketching. So let's get ready to sketch. How do designers know what to sketch? Well, first we want to think about body type. So it's important that you look and search for Google for a body type that's appropriate to your person's gender and size. So if I am doing Tracy, I might find a fuller figure. If I'm doing Velma Van Tussle, it might be a nice, tall, lean woman. And so also you've got younger characters like Inez, who might be in a child's figure. Next, you want to think about the outfit. Choose an appropriate age fitting outfit. So if I'm a young girl, I might wear a skirt. If I'm, a boy who's dancing on the Courtney Collins show, maybe I'm wearing a nice slack or a sports jacket. Think about socioeconomic and personality, and don't forget about the season, the location, and the time period. So we're 1960s Baltimore. It is the early fall, just the beginning of school year. What would be an appropriate outfit to wear during this time period? And then finally, don't forget about your accessories. This is a way to stylize your character. So really think about who they are, what their personality is, and then find some items that you can add to your sketch that will really pop and bring them to life. And here's what a final costume design sketch would look like. You can see a variety of people, different sizes. We have different styles in their outfits and some accessories included. So now what we're going to do is you're going to take time in your handout to complete the closing reflection and really be thoughtful. And then when you're finished with that, you can submit that to Google Classroom and get started on your sketches.